and welcome to another Trevor Tribe Studios video. And guys, just so you know, there's another channel. Well, there's another channel too. That's called Aiden Tribe. And those of you have probably been like, those videos look familiar. The last two that have been uploaded. Yeah, that's because we just put our videos on this channel and that. But yeah, guys, I'm probably not going to be putting any more of our Trevor Tribe Studios videos on there, just because there's no problem with it. But I think it's kind of weird if I put the same video on two channels. That doesn't make sense. Just come and watch Trevor Tribe for those videos. So guys, yeah, so now we're going to make it where Aiden Tribe. And if you haven't, be sure to like and subscribe this channel, both of them, hopefully. We would love that. So, the other one, yeah. Okay. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to build a Mario Kart with Lego Mario. Guys, you don't have to have a Lego Mario. You can just do a plain old minifigure. This is not a plain old minifigure. That is a custom built Lego bearded. And I about shown it to you. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you a special part for me. So guys, as you may know, these are bricks from Lego Mario sets. They both play music. Same song, but guys, the difference is drum roll. Do you know what's the difference? Not the color, but yeah, you got that right. But the answer I was really gonna say. Well, the real difference is that this has studs in it and this one doesn't. Now guys, you might be like, that's no big deal. Well guys, when you put Mario on these studded things, and if you make him do this, he won't fall off. If you're like really strong with that, but he'll fall off. So, but the problem with the smooth ones, if you put them on, yes, guys, I'm about to get to the ghost part. But he'll just fall out of the cart if you use one of those. So, guys, I would not recommend using one of these smooth ones. And if you don't have a Mario, use a bearded. Or, no, you don't have a bearded. Yeah, you definitely don't have a Lego bearded. But be sure to use a Lego minifigure if you don't have Mario. Maybe you are just using this to add to your collection or something. It's not the best thing ever made. Maybe better than the Lego Luigi made. Guys, you may be like, what happened to him? Why is his face not the updated version? Yeah, guys, I've added an updated version of the video with clay on his face. Didn't work out. So, guys, I had to turn it back. So, guys, I'm sure, probably, guys, your Lego Luigi has turned out bad. But, guys, I don't know why I didn't think of putting glue over his face. So, guys, I would try that. I didn't think about that, but yep, that's that. So, probably not as good as Lego Luigi. I'm not saying Lego Luigi that I made is not good, but it's not so very, very good. So, now guys, we're gonna begin. Hey guys, before we begin, let me just tell you, get out some khaki, red, yellow, and gray bricks. So guys, what you see here is a khaki block in the middle. You're going to want tiny wheels and some normal size wheels. If you don't have tiny wheels, use the same size wheels 2 times. So, guys, we're going to begin with this part. You're going to put one of these things on it. And then put the other piece on there. Now, guys, I'll show you what this is for. It's the bumper. It took me a while to find these pieces. But it didn't take me a while to find that piece because khaki is in a tiny drawer. So yeah, didn't take me long to find that. But the gray pieces, let me just tell you, it took me probably about 5 minutes to find it. It took me 2 seconds to find that one. The reason it took me about 10 minutes to find that one, yeah, that's why. Yep, there's no big deal with that, but I'm glad I have the pieces now. So guys, now what you're going to do is flip this around. You could even add your own, like put lights over it, like the see-through blocks. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Might as well do that if I'm talking about it right. Not so sure where. Oh, here's the see-through blocks. So guys, just simply add this, and if it doesn't look too Mario-ish, don't know if that's even a word, but if it doesn't look Mario-like, if it doesn't look like Mario style, you could take the lights off, but I don't know. Right now, I really don't know if that looks Mario style or not. So guys, now what you're going to do is put this over. You're gonna put the back wheels on there. No, actually, don't put the back wheels on there. You put a red one the same size over that. And then this guy has to have, not so sure, this piece. And then, yeah, this piece. Now add that right here. You got your rolling thing now, but except you're gonna want to put either one of your Lego Mario things on there. And it's not finished, guys, if that's what you thought. So now you guys are gonna put this right here. It might not look exactly like the Lego Mario thing, but this is the best I could do. So, I don't actually think that is the best I could do, but yeah, that's all pieces I could find. Worked kind of hard though. Just simply add that there. Yeah, guys, just add Mario in there. And you'll race. Now, guys, if you want to build another one for your Lego Luigi, just select any color. Select any color for this one, actually. But I would say put green for Luigi. I'm not going to be showing you how to make the other one, because then I'll have to go find the other pieces for it. So guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye!